are at Operation Food Search today, having our 4th annual Nourishing Our Neighbors event with Schnucks teammate volunteers, as well as some Operation Food Search volunteers, providing 1,000 meals out into our communities that we serve each day. We had over 70 people sign up with Schnucks. So as you can see from the crowd behind me, lots of folks came out to give back to their community and make sure that the folks that are in need are getting fed this holiday season and have a turkey to take home, as well as a recipe card and some dessert as well.
In this season that's so busy for our organization, it's amazing that over 70 of our Schnucks teammates stepped outside of their normal workday to volunteer for this event, to help the community. Because just like we're busy, this is the time of year that the community really needs us.
Oh my gosh, the volunteer turnout today has been incredible. So many teammates from across so many departments, different facilities, stores, store support center, really excited to get to work together. And what a feel-good day. And we got blessed with great weather, so you can't lose.
Today's event is just full of energy. People are so enthused. The volunteers from Schnucks are incredible. They know how to pack bags and distribute food. And the families who are going through the distribution line, people are so positive, they're upbeat. They may be having difficulty putting food on their table, but the fact that they're able to come here and get this meal that's going to feed their family, people are in good spirits, they're expressing their gratitude. It's just an all-around positive day.
Could I do 2 families?
Yes, you can do 2 families.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great holiday.
All of the people that have come through have been so thankful, and our volunteers have been too, to be a part of this. It's just such a delight when you can give something back to somebody that needs it. So they're getting a turkey, they're getting a recipe for the turkey, how to keep the turkey safe for consumption as well. So not only giving them the food, but also educating them on how they can do it in the future on their own.
This is an amazing partnership because we're both in the business of food and serving the community. I've had the pleasure of serving on the board of OFES for 6 years. My term is up and Stacy Brandt's taking over, so they're in great hands. In fact, she'll do a much better job than I did.
This is really our mission brought to life. Schnucks' mission of nourishing people's lives means so many different things, but one of those is really the very basic human need of being fed and having food and nutrition, and that's what today is all about.
The food that we distribute all throughout the year, the majority of it comes from Schnucks. More than $15 million worth of food was donated in this last fiscal year, and that is, going straight to the tables of those who need it, spread across this entire region. So I thank the people who are here today, but I also thank all the Schnucks team members who make our work possible every day of the year.